Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best AI search engine, which is Andi Search review. So let's quickly dive into it. Andi Search is an AI driven search engine that aims to make finding answer faster, clearer and more conversational than traditional search. Instead of long list of links, it delivers concise summaries, direct answer and related insight in a clean interface. It's especially handy for quick research, divination, comparisons, and straightforward problem solving, with pros like natural language answers, relevant context, intuitive UI, and fast results that can save you a bunch of time. Talking about the downside include the occasional gap on highly specialized queries, less source transparency than old school search, and the potential difference in result depth versus the big engine. So in my opinion, I actually think the Andi Search is worth using in 2025, especially if you want a smart conversational way to get quick answers and summaries for deep research and exhaustive source lists. But pairing it with a classic search engine still make it more helpful and more accurate. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.